Hello and welcome to Digital Dollars. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you never miss out on our valuable business tips. Let's dive into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. If you've ever dreamed of starting an online business from scratch, you're in for a treat. Today, we've got the ultimate guide on how to turn your idea into a successful online venture. Number 10. Monitor and adapt. In the dynamic business landscape, it's essential to stay proactive and adaptable. Regularly monitoring your business's performance, sales data, and customer feedback allows you to gain valuable insights into your strengths and areas for improvement. By analyzing this information, you can make informed decisions and adapt your strategies to changing market trends and customer preferences. Embrace innovation and be open to trying new approaches to stay competitive and ensure your offerings remain relevant and appealing to your target audience. Flexibility and a willingness to evolve are key to thriving in a constantly changing business environment. Number 9. Provide exceptional customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is crucial for the success and growth of any business. It involves going above and beyond to meet customer needs and expectations, ensuring they have a positive experience with your brand. This can be achieved through prompt and friendly responses to inquiries, addressing and resolving customer issues promptly, and showing genuine care and appreciation for your customers. Exceptional customer service fosters trust and loyalty, encouraging customers to return and recommend your business to others. Number 8. Marketing and promotion. Effective marketing and promotion are essential to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your website. Utilize search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve your website's visibility on search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your audience, share valuable content, and run targeted advertising campaigns. Email marketing can also be a powerful tool to nurture leads, keep customers informed, and drive sales. By adopting a comprehensive digital marketing strategy, you can maximize your online presence and boost your business's growth. Number 7. Set up payment and shipping systems. Efficient payment and shipping systems are essential for a seamless customer experience. Integrate secure payment gateways that offer various payment options to accommodate customer preferences. Ensure that your checkout process is user-friendly and secure to instill confidence in your customers while making purchases. Additionally, streamline your shipping processes by partnering with reliable shipping carriers and providing tracking options. Fast and reliable shipping can enhance customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. Number 6. Create compelling content. Creating compelling and valuable content is a powerful way to connect with your audience and build brand authority. Craft well-written blog posts, create informative and entertaining videos, and engage your audience with captivating social media content. By providing content that educates, entertains, or solves your audience's problems, you can establish your business as a credible and trustworthy source in your industry. Consistency in delivering high-quality content will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Number 5. Build your website. In today's digital age, having a professional and user-friendly website is a must for any business. Your website is your online storefront, and it should effectively showcase your products or services. Design a visually appealing website that reflects your brand identity and is easy to navigate. Ensure that your website is optimized for mobile devices, as an increasing number of users access the internet through smartphones and tablets. A well-designed website will create a positive first impression on potential customers and encourage them to explore further. Number 4. Choose a catchy brand name. Selecting the right brand name is a crucial aspect of building your online business's identity. Your brand name should be catchy, memorable, and relevant to your products or services. It's the first impression customers have of your business, so it should resonate with your target audience and convey the essence of your brand. Brainstorm multiple options and consider how each name aligns with your business vision and values. Once you have a few potential names, check if the corresponding domain names are available for your website. Having a matching domain name helps with brand consistency and makes it easier for customers to find you online. Additionally, ensure that the brand name is not already trademarked or in use by another business to avoid potential legal issues down the road. Keep in mind that a well-chosen brand name can contribute significantly to brand recognition and customer loyalty. So invest time and effort in finding the perfect name that represents your business effectively. Number 3. Create a business plan. One of the most critical steps in starting an online business is developing a detailed and well-thought-out business plan. This plan serves as the foundation for your entire venture and provides a roadmap for your business's success. It should outline your business goals, defining what you want to achieve in the short and long term. Conduct thorough market research to identify your target market and understand their needs and preferences. Analyze your competitors to gain insights into the market landscape and find ways to differentiate your business. Your business plan should include a competitive analysis, detailing how your products or services stand out from the competition. Outline your marketing strategies, including how you will reach your target audience, promote your business, and build brand awareness. Financial projections are essential to understand the expected costs, revenue, and profitability of your business. Having a comprehensive business plan will help you make informed decisions, set achievable targets, and stay focused on your goals as you build and grow your online business. Number 2. Market research. Conducting thorough market research is a crucial step in the process of starting an online business. Understanding your target audience is vital to the success of your venture. Research their demographics, preferences, pain points, and buying behaviors. Analyze your competitors to gain insights into the market landscape and identify gaps or opportunities that you can capitalize on. Market research provides valuable data that will guide your business decisions and enable you to create products or services that resonate with your target customers. By understanding your market, you can tailor your marketing strategies and offerings to better meet the needs and expectations of your potential customers. Number 1. Find your niche. When starting an online business, it's essential to identify your passion and areas of expertise. Once you have a clear understanding of what you're passionate about and what you excel in, narrow it down to a specific niche for your business. Having a focused niche allows you to target a specific audience and tailor your products or services to meet their needs more effectively. It also helps you stand out in the market and differentiate yourself from competitors. By specializing in a niche, you can become an authority in that area and build a loyal customer base. Congratulations! You've just completed the essential steps to start your online business from scratch. If you found this guide helpful in kickstarting your entrepreneurial journey, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other aspiring business owners, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable business insights. Remember, with determination and innovation, you can turn your online business dream into a thriving reality.